You are my sweet big boy. Are you a good boy? Do you want to get a treat? Unbelievable. You're my baby boy? Are you sleepy boy? So sleepy. You my handsome boy? Are you a sleepy boy? You are? Are you a sleepy boy? You sleepy? Hmm? Would you like a treat? Is that what you're trying to say? You want a treat? I love you too, baby. You're my sweet baby boy. I love you, Oliver. Yeah, you're a good boy. Does that fan feel good on you? Does it feel good? What you doing? You'd like a treat? Want Mama to get you a treat? So yeah. You gonna go sleep? You lifted your toe up. Are you sleepy? You want a treat? You're my baby boy, that's who. Nope, but you're a good boy. I'm a good girl. Mama's a good girl. Oliver's a good boy. Are you getting sleepy? Love you, baby boy. Look at that Toto was up. I'm sorry. You can do it again. Love my sweet baby boy. You can go to sleep. I love you too, baby. You can go to sleep if you're tired. You can go to sleep. That's good. Lift that Toto up. Good boy.